Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, which will show you a bunch of different toggles right here. Now we are looking for the power saving one, which will look exactly like this one, which is a battery with a little plus inside of it. When you press on it, it will change the color to insinuate that it is right now enabled and give you zero information on what will be changed. But you can hold the toggle, which will then take you to the settings, and here you can see what the changes will be. So we have don't wake screen for notifications, turn off always on display, and turn off when charging. So, and this actually refers to turn off the power saving mode when your device is at 50% of battery or more when you start charging it. So let's just say you turn on power saver mode, plug it in, your battery is at 49, goes to 50, the mode gets automatically turned off. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving, you can find the toggle, tap on it, and this will then revert all the changes. Now there's one last info that I will give for people that might find this very useful. Power saving mode tends to limit or disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Therefore, with it being enabled, you might experience that your notifications are being delayed in delivery or just not being delivered to you at all when you're not using your device. If you encounter such a thing, just know that this is power saving mode, and to basically get your notifications functioning as they used to, notifying you when they're being delivered to you, you would just need to turn off the power saving mode. Anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.